Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to join a team in Farm Heroes Saga. If you want to start joining a team on Farm Heroes Saga, then first of all, make sure that you have reached at least level 8 in the game. Your game must be connected to Facebook or King account for team features, and then once you've made sure of that, go ahead and click open the Farm Heroes Saga game on your device and make sure that you're logged in. After you're signed in to this home screen, go ahead and click on this shield kind of an icon at the bottom, which is also known as the team icon. Once you open up this menu, go ahead and tap on join at the top. Make sure that you've selected join, and you can then search for the teams by their name or their ID using the search bar. There are other recommendations as well for the teams you want to join into. Simply find the team that is good for you, or if you want to find out one of your friends' team, simply go ahead and find it from the menu and tap on join right next to it. You've now successfully joined a team on Farm Heroes Saga. Now once you've done that, you are a part of a team. You can now contribute to team quests and events, chat with team members, and earn bonus rewards together as well. So that's how you can easily join into a team on Farm Heroes Saga. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.